Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix why can't I log in to my Yahoo Mail account. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, check for an incorrect username or password. This is the most common reason people can't log in. Make sure you're typing your password correctly, especially paying attention to capital letters and special characters. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Username or Sign In Helper option on the login page and follow the instructions to reset it. Also, double check that you're using the correct email address associated with your account. Second, your account might be temporarily locked. Yahoo has security measures that automatically lock accounts after multiple failed login attempts. This is done to protect your account from unauthorized access. If this happens, you may need to wait 12 to 24 hours before trying again. After that, attempt to log in carefully with the correct credentials. Third, the issue could be browser related. Sometimes corrupted cache or cookies prevent proper login. To fix this, open your browser and click on the 3-dot or 3-line menu in the top right corner. You can directly go from here or go to Settings, then find Privacy and Security. From there, click on Delete Browsing Data. Select a time range, check the boxes for cookies and other site data, and cached images and files, then click Delete Data. After clearing your cache, restart your browser and try logging in again. If it still doesn't work, try using a different browser to see if the issue is browser specific. Lastly, there could be a temporary issue with Yahoo's servers. In that case, you may just need to wait and try again later. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.